like I said.
Are you plugging up? Oh right, nah. I thought you meant like comms. I usually like to put in the plugs after I put on my helmet. Yeah. No. Oh. Oh yeah, hear the roar of my 500 parallel twin. Come on, speed up, guys. Oh wow, incredible. He's like, I spent 40 grand on this. I need to make it worth it. Oh, he's gonna go home and tell his wife about that. Oh, with massive potholes in the middle, beautiful. Thank you. Oh my god. I wonder how the Hayabusa suspension got through those. Fucking someone's wrists are broken. What? Is he letting us go? Is that what's happening here? Oh. Thank you. Oh. There you go. Oh, he's filming me. I have to fucking get my knee down. Oh man. No, not really. Fuck. This definitely hasn't played in my memory many times. Hiya! Oh, you bitch. Hello. I waved to you on the hill. You fucking ignored me. Oh, just pull out on me, thank you. No, him, the car that pulled out. Oh fuck! Right. Can you reach? Please don't pour shit. How much is this? Oh, bro, this is... It's alright, I'll just take a little top up. Thank you. There you go.
You're pouring a lot.
Yep. Just... Fuck knows. I'm just gonna park between those two cars, I think. What are you gonna do? You wanna fight? Oh yeah, I am. What are you gonna do?